And it's like the hook goes, something we all adore. It's the one thing worth dying for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame. Something we all adore. The one thing we dying for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame. That's what I hear.
And my niggas say, we want the fame.
Come on.
One thing we all adore, something worth dying for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame. The one thing we all adore, something worth dying for. It's been nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune. So we exist to breed, some believe currency comes to G, stress is half the battle, with success comes greed. They got me hot when they shot me bloody. My revenge to increase my ends, enemies getting dropped. Win or lose, red or blue, we must all stay true. Play the game, nigga, never let the game play you. And for the fame, niggas change fast, that's a shame. What's the gang, lost souls, who controls our brains? Who can I blame? The world seems strange at times, someone insane. I'm hoping we can change with time. I'm living blinded, searching for refinement, curse. I know death follows me, but I murder him first. And worse yet, with each breath, steps I take, breathless. Is there a cure for a hustle with a death wish? Cigar ashes, toast with crystal glasses. We mash on them jealous bastards with my ski mask. I'm the first one to warn them blasted, wrapped in plastic, bullshit and got his ass hit. Ain't nothing left now, treated like a stepchild. It's not for me, nothing but busters and bitches be rocking beats, faking fame.
And shoot slugs, we throw them back like hardballs without the gloves. No love for these fake desperados and thugs. I bleed the envy, smoke and blow out their blood, sipping Henny. Drunk nights and hot days, cocking my heat, shooting it sideways. A life on the run, full of coming blunts, unconditionally married to my gun. Fulfilling my destiny, all needs and wants, desires. Be pulling on my cabbage like pliers, stuck in the trance, searching for something higher than fortune and fame.
One thing we all adore, something worth dying for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame. Something we all adore, something worth dying for. But nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame.
Searching for fortune and fame, lost in the rain, a loss in the game. Your life is the cost of the game, we forced to change. Motherfuckers lost in the chain, all of the blame belongs to the part of the brain that we never use, nigga, plus my heart is in pain. And if I ever lose, homie, bet I'm at it again. Outlaws don't die, so united we stand. And your family come before all the fortune and fame.
As I walk up in the crib late to rest my head, say salams to the angels, hope they bless my bed. Hope they bless me in a righteous way. Gotta hold me locked down, out of town, I send them a kite today. Man, that hate in your heart, you need to cleanse it, dog. Praying for my downfall and I can sense it, dog. I was passed down the street fame like Glock locks and keep aim. Was raised up with a clock rocks and I ran with the local street gang. They say the light is fake, will still shine in the dark. You could've easy been a man, but you's a boy in your heart. And that's some game that I got from generation to game. In the road of life, dog, you need to switch up lanes. Think about it.
One thing we all adore, something worth dying for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame. One thing we all adore, something worth dying for. But nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame.
I can't complain, I see my fair share of fame, it won't change me. Now I got this piece of change, I feel strange. I got so used to the hood that when I finally got out, at first it ain't feel good, I was just a baby. Still retarded from slavery, when we struggled and shoveled shit, ain't nobody saved me. Ghetto ain't made me, I made myself. Poverty raised me thinking ain't no help. I pray for my health, my mind, and my family too. Stay to myself, my grind, and my family crew. Where one hand washes the other. No, we ain't blood, but we still real brothers. The struggle is real. Nothing can steal what we build, and that remains the same to the day that we kill, and that's real. Life I was aimed to be, loved by my family tree, that's fame to me. How about it?
One thing we all adore, something worth dying for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame. One thing we all adore, something worth dying for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this game, searching for fortune and fame.